Nigerian fashion designers are doing absolutely amazing, and it's so beautiful to see how they pick inspiration from one another and come up with their own twist while creating gorgeous outfits. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this gorgeous dress made by Prudential Atelier, who is a fantastic Nigerian fashion designer. She made this beautiful outfit, and in today's video, we'll be talking about it. If you'll be interested in hearing all I have to say about this dress, please make sure you watch this video all the way through, subscribe to this channel, like the video, share with a friend, and don't hesitate to drop your thoughts and questions down in the comment section.
A few days ago, while I was doing my routine scroll on Instagram, I stumbled on another hot bombshell made by Prudential Atelier. I've come on here a couple of times analyzing and trying out some of the outfits or embellishment styles done by Prudential Atelier with some of our designs. I've done some of those videos on here on the channel for you guys, so I know some of us are not new to hearing that name, Prudential Atelier. At the introduction of this video, I shared with us a beautiful clip of the outfit that I'm about to talk about in today's video. That dress, as I must have mentioned at the intro, was made by Prudential Atelier. Prudential Atelier, I think she used to be a student of Vicky James in the early days of Vicky James' fashion journey. And right now, she also owns her own fashion brand that is, I think, is based out of Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Nigeria. She owns a fashion brand over there. If you're not following Prudential Atelier, go follow her on Instagram. She posts amazing stuff on her page. I follow her. I watch a lot of her content. I'm glued to her stories. I like to see what she's doing in her workspace and some of the things that she also shares with us online. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about that beautiful lemon orange pink outfit. I have my phone here as usual. I have the dress on my phone. I'm also going to leave a sidebar of everything that I'm going to be talking about this style on the screen for us, so we also get involved and drawn into the fun. So this gorgeous outfit is a very simple straight dress, okay? Very gorgeous, very classy. I feel like this dress is a perfect birthday dress for a birthday celebrant or a reception dress for a bride. I feel like this will look phenomenal on a bride as a reception dress or after party dress. Absolutely gorgeous, especially if you're the kind of person that likes colors. If you're a very colorful person, you love colors, someone like me now, I would totally wear this will look phenomenal. And because Prudential and I have kind of like the same skin tone, she's a chocolate girly, I'm a chocolate girly, I feel like this color is going to look sweet on me. So this dress, like I said earlier, is a straight dress, and the lace fabric that was used for making this dress, remember I've talked about this in the previous video to us, that fashion designers now, before they come up with the embellishment for their designs, they kind of pick tips and tricks from the actual lace fabric or actual fabric that they are working with. We see here that the fabric that Prudential used to make this dress, the lower portion, so from the waist downward, that lace fabric has hints of lemon, orange, and pink, and crystal or stud now in between. So she kind of picked from that color scheme and used it as the embellishment for the top portion, so from the waist upwards. We see here that she used broken glass beads. What I see here is broken glass beads, and she just has the beading done from different direction. Some beads are coming this way, some are coming this way, some are coming that way, and it just looks phenomenal. Another thing that I saw here that Prudential incorporated into this style is, you guys remember that's my award-winning dress that Vicky James made for Osas Igudaro. You remember that petal style that we did, that we used to celebrate our 40,000 subscriber mark on the channel? Something similar to it, maybe not that exact kind of petal shape, something similar to this. Prudential used it to create like petals that she arranged along the shoulder, as we all can see, and it looks phenomenal. That's why I say picking inspiration from other fashion designers is allowed. We see how right here Prudential picked this tip from Vicky and she incorporated it using our own vibe. She added her own vibe to it and it looks incredibly stunning, right? She placed those petals along the shoulder, and we also see some beadwork done on that petal right there. I believe I have filmed a tutorial on this particular beading style. I think I should have filmed this. If it has not gone up on the channel, it will go up. So just subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed so you don't miss out when that video goes up. I'm going to share how I believe this kind of splash beadwork was done right here. She also used this style on one lemon colored dress. I believe I've done a tutorial on that particular dress or an analysis of that dress in a previous video. Anyway, I said all of that to say that these petals, they just look incredibly stunning, and the way she arranged it along the shoulder, phenomenal. And we see here the broken glass beads. We have the lemon colored one, and one side of the lemon colored one blends into kind of like orange. Somebody that this dress reminds me of is Marvi Official. You guys remember that heavily beaded dress that I analyzed to us, I think in the earlier portion of this year, a few months ago? That's green dress. I did the dress analysis. I'll do my best to link that dress analysis on the show notes. That is what came to my mind the moment I saw this beadwork on this dress made by Prudential. And the way she added her own twist to it is just phenomenal. It's spectacular, and I can just imagine how many hours it took for this dress to be beaded to perfection like this. It must have taken a lot of time. I can't even imagine it. And you guys, let me know, for this dress that you guys are seeing now, this is something I want to be trying out with us now. If you are a fashion designer, how much would you charge for this dress? If you were to make this dress for a client, how much would you charge for it? Let me know down in the comment section. Depending on your country, where you're living in your currency, let me know if you live in the UK, in the US, in Nigeria, Canada, wherever it is that you are, how much would you charge a client to make this type of outfit? Let me know down in the comment section. So moving on, Prudential also did some beadwork on the chest or neck downwards area. We see there that she used illusion net. It's illusion net that is going on in that portion, and she used the orange broken glass beads as well as stud or rose montees or stone, depending on what you choose to call it. She incorporated broken glass beads in orange as well as some stones, and it just looks phenomenal. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm also just going to leave the everything I'm looking at on my phone, I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys to also see. It looks so sweet, so sweet. The videographer for this particular video, I think his name is Avid Studio on Instagram. And we also see the back view of the dress. Guys, this is just beautiful. Nowadays, I'm so curious. All these fine dresses with fine shape, does the shape come with the dress? Because it's almost as if all of us in Nigeria now, we all have Coke bottle shape. Do they sell the shape with the dress? Guys, let me know down in the comment section. Do you think the shape, once you buy this dress like this, you just have shape? Let me know down in the comment section. But this just looks beautiful. We see the loops done at the back for the corset. What else am I saying here? Still the same beading, and along the tinier part of the, I think where the hooks for the neckline at the back is, we see some beading done there as well with lemon, orange, and pink as well. If you look closely, I'm going to try and zoom in and put a screenshot on the screen for us. That's what the back view of this dress looks like. And we also see that those petals as well, she also incorporated those petals along the full length of the dress, and this just looks absolutely beautiful. Phenomenal, guys, phenomenal. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know your rating. I rate this dress a solid 10 over 10 in my opinion. Okay, 10 over 10. Let me know your rating down in the comment section. Did you guys enjoy this analysis? We see the straight beading pattern, a lot of beading patterns. If you are new to my channel and you don't know much about beading, my channel is a perfect spot for starting your journey in beading. I have a playlist called Beading Tutorial. I'll do my best to leave that playlist on the show notes if I have not exceeded the number of videos I'm allowed to put in the show notes. Check the pinned comments, check the description bar. I'll leave that playlist right there for you, so you can start off your beading journey from there. We see all the beading pattern done on the illusion net, and this just looks absolutely phenomenal. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick little dress analysis. I hope you all enjoyed. Is there anything about this video that you'd like me to talk more about, or that you have questions about? Let me know down in the comment section. Let me also know your thoughts, the rating that I asked for, the price. How much do you think this dress costs? Let me know down in the comment section. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, share this video with a friend. And yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.